Can't believe you would hurt me so on my birthday just to let me go. You're as mean as a human being and as pleasant as a gift to me. What I unwrap is a one-way street where little children and laugh they weep. They grow old when they're all alone and their illnesses they face their homes. Up in my cell I can hear a shout, and I'm wondering what it's all about. Should I run when the sun goes down? If my feet could only touch the ground. How'd I get strapped to this bloody bed? And what's inside the tube inside my head? Face on the wall staring at my meds. Change the battery, I think it's dead. The people come to pray, I don't know what they're doing here. The people come to pray, I hope a miracle is near. The people come to pray, God, are you listening to the words that stay in my shrinking brain? Lightning bolts crack my bones and crash my hopes. The current force winds to blow and dim my soul. Is it my turn soon, you in the hood? What gives you the right to think you should? You are a sharp one, I've noticed now. Hear the walkers and the wheelers out. No, I'm too young and too rich to die. Stupid healers, you're not friends of mine. You may take me, but wait till fall. Never mind, now let's go have a ball. The people come to pray, I don't know what they're doing here. The people come to pray, I hope a miracle is near. The people come to pray, God, are you listening to the words that stay in my shrinking brain?